is now finished. I will attempt to pick this up so you can see it. Good job your things are right. So it is very long, goes all the way down to there. So on me it touches the floor. Hi guys, so I'm just going to show you these Arteza 60 acrylic colours premium. There's 60 22 milliliter tubes for these. The lid does list them all here, so I'll quickly go through them. They do have their light fastness and then transparency details and the pigment number all on the tubes, so you'll be able to see, but they do list them all here as well, which is really handy. So for the 60 colours, first we have titanium white, then lemon yellow, yellow pale, mid yellow, deep yellow, yellow ochre, Naples yellow, light apricot, Indian yellow, orange red, vermilion red, brilliant red, scarlet red, cochineal red, I don't know, Cochineal. Those who have been around know me for a while know that I have a terrible pronunciation issue. So then we have rose madder, carmine red, crimson red, pink, neon pink, rose, magenta light, Bordeaux red, violet, then mauve pale, Parisian blue, Pathelo blue. You know what? I know that's wrong, and I do know how to say it, but for life of me I can't remember right now. Then we have ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, sky blue, cerulean blue, viridian green, deep green. The other word I can't say again, green, so Pathelo or something, I don't know. Phthalo, both in the blue and the green anyway. Emerald green, yellow green, Parisian green, pale green, light sap green, mid green, coronium oxide green, olive green, raw sienna, oxide yellow, Mars orange, burnt sienna, Mars brown, sangria red, burnt umber, Van Dyke brown, raw umber, pearl deep brown, pearl copper gold, gold, silver, pearl sapphire blue, cold grey, grey, Payne's grey, and Mars black. I'm sure somebody knows why some of these colours are outlined with white around them. I, on the other hand, don't have a clue. But somebody could probably tell you if you ask them. So that's them all. So should we open the box up and have a look? We can get it off. Don't know if you can see the suction on that, trying to pull the lid back down. So, let's put that there. So the first tray we've got the titanium white, the lemon yellow, I can't see, should we turn it around here? So the yellow pale, mid yellow, deep yellow, and yellow ochre. And the next layer here, we have the cerulean blue, the viridian green, deep green, that green I can't say the name of, emerald green, and yellow green. These ones will try to run away. Put them back in a minute. So here we have, get them all up again, that's going well, isn't it? So we've got the Naples yellow, the light apricot, the Indian yellow, the orange yellow, orange red, and vermilion red here. And this layer has the Parisian green, pale green, light sap, mid green, coronium oxide green, and the olive green. The next layer, turn it around the right way, has the brilliant red, scarlet red, Canocchial Red, or, you know, again, one I can't pronounce, Rose Madder, Carmine Red and Crimson Red. Then we have the Raw Sienna, Oxide Yellow, Mars Orange, Burnt Sienna, Mars Brown and the Sangria Red. This one. We have the Pink, Neon Pink, Rose, Magenta, Bordeaux Red, Violet. Then we have the Burnt Umber, Van Dyke Brown, Raw Umber, Pearl Deep Brown, Pearl Copper Gold and Gold. And the last two layers we have the Mauve Pearl, Parisian Blue, the other blue that I can't say, Aquamarine Blue, Cobalt Blue and Sky Blue. And the last one, let's try not to throw it around, shall we? These may now be out of order, I don't think they are though. So we have the silver, then we have the Pearl Sapphire Blue, the Cold Grey, the Grey, Payne's Grey and the Mars Black. So that is all of them. There's quite a few and the focus has just gone. Should we get it back? Okay, fix the focus. So that's all of them done. So there's quite a few, as you can see, and they're in nice little cubes, trays. That depends how you like to store them. I might find a different way to store them at some point, but for now they do just fine in these trays. So we'll just have a quick look. So squeeze. Ooh, okay, so that's quite a nice purple. I don't think I'm going to squeeze all of these. We'll be here forever. It wasn't too bad when I did the metallic video because there's only 12 of them, but there's 60 of these, so we could be here a while. I think what I'll do is I'll just wait until I've used these in a project and I can show you them rather than just showing you each individual paint as we go, because that would make it a very long video. If there's any you particularly want to see the colour of, do let me know and I can just do a quick little video showing those colours. But some of these look really gorgeous. Like Pearl Sapphire Blue sounds amazing. Oh yeah, look at that blue. That is a stunning colour. So it's definitely some on here that I'm going to really enjoy using. But hopefully you've had a reasonable good look and see what the colours are. Try to put all these back in. I think we need to put them in opposite ways each row because of the way they sit. Sorry guys. But I think it's a really good range and the colours do look like a lovely range of colours. Everything you could probably need. Just imagine you can mix those to make any other colour you want. So I can't see you not having the colour you need ever because there's fantastic colours in here. So I'm really happy with these and I hope you are too. And as I said, I will give a video after I've used them to show you what they look like, how they work, let you know how the colours sit, because some of these are transparent colours and some of these are full solid and some are half. So it's going to be interesting to see how they work within the artwork. So do check back soon for actual footage of the paints used so you can see how the colours really look. But I hope that was really helpful and at least you got to see what's inside one of these boxes. So check back soon for some more stuff. See you later. Take care. Bye.